have decided for 24 hours to eat at convenience store because Korea has convenience store at every corner. There are some popular chains like CU, GS25, 7-Eleven, and they offer everything. They offer a lot of variety. From bento boxes to beverages, सब मिलता है. So let's see what we eat. The struggle. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो आप?
They have porridge also.
Ew.
Like porridge,
Honestly, I feel it's such a bummer क्योंकि मैंने Instagram पे इतना देखा था that it's really yummy and it's like a must try and people travel all the way to Korea for this, but it's just liquid with a little banana flavor, sweet banana flavor. That's it. कुछ भी नहीं है. But now I have to finish it.
I'm eating black bean rice. It is tasteless, so I took a packet of kimchi. They have like this, so I just added it,
It's a good breakfast option.
and you can add egg to it.
It's a good breakfast option. मुझे अच्छा लगा.
Where is the coffee and banana?
It already has salt. This looks like a table tennis ball. The color is so even. This is an egg and mayo sandwich. इंडिया में बहुत फ्रेश बेकरीज ऑफर करती है ना जो एग और मेयो सैंडविच सेम.
I'm having this chocolate milk. This brand especially, I really liked it. I had all flavors.
She doesn't like chocolate, she doesn't like milk.
Yeah.
But here, all the way in Korea, she's drinking chocolate flavored milk.
Because this is
Since
really,
day one.
This is really nice, and this is not too milky. It's like a little watery. I really like the consistency of the milk. I love it. It's so nice, and it tastes a little like Milo. So I had a lot of Milo in Singapore, and it really tastes something similar to that. So I really like this brunch chocolate.
Yes,
Yummy. The egg sandwich is also nice. It's like a perfect breakfast option. The sandwich and this milk together. This is your share of the rice.
so much.
Yeah.
खुद को भाया नहीं तो my share of the rice.
Rice.
हमने थोड़ा इलेबोरेट ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं कर लिया है, लंच कैसे करेंगे?
इसमें से हमने राइस पूरा ख़त्म किया है, इसमें से हमने एग पूरा ख़त्म किया है. We literally had the coffee and the chocolate.
Literally this guy next to me is eating ramen in the morning. मैं तो नहीं खा सकती हूँ इतना मसाला सुबह सुबह. But each to its own. But I think इनके कल्चर में ये सुबह भी खा लेते हैं, दिन में भी, रात को भी. ऑल मील फूड है ये. जैसे हमारी मैगी होती है, मैगी यू कैन ईट फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, डिनर. इनके रामेन है, सुबह खा लो, दिन में खा लो, शाम को खा लो. I've been eating this every day since I came here. They also have fresh cut fruits available. Nice. So we are back to our Airbnb. हम बहुत थक गए थे, so we thought कि हम लंच घर पे ही कर लेंगे. Yogurt with granola is not the best option for lunch, but who cares? Cute packaging लगी इसलिए हमने ये ले लिया. So let's try this. Very basic, जैसा yogurt और granola होता है. No added sugar. These are really thin noodles, जैसे अपनी वर्मिसेली होती है ना, वैसे ही है. See? जीजा, do you want to eat lunch? सो गए हो? ठीक है, मैं खा रही हूँ. स्पाइसी नूडल्स विद डाइट कोक. वाह क्या लाइफ है. ओके बाय. अब मेरी बैटरी बहुत कम है. आई चार्ज इट अप और देखते हैं हम डिनर में क्या खाते हैं. फॉर डिनर आई हैव कम टू दिस 7-Eleven. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन फाइंड. This also has some skincare. This is big. क्या खाओगे आप डिनर में?
I'm gonna eat some
झूठी. Take this.
This one or this one?
Any? दोनों स्ट्रॉबेरी ही तो है.
Different brand.
अरे ले लो. Is this a cheese stick?
Yes.
Please convert करके check करो ना. What is it? ठीक है, ये भी ले लेते हैं. How about this one?
Can you just take it out so that I
हाँ.
can...
एक सेकेंड. ओ चीज़ लिखा हुआ तो है इस पर.
ये दोनों चीज़, ये में कौन सी चीज़ होती है? This is Jack Marble. We're not able to eat it because we don't like it. You can take.
Like it तो ऐसे बोल रहे हो जैसे बहुत खाते हो.
One suji down.
Thank you.
बस अच्छा, you have to put everything abhi only.
You are that guy.
He just said put menu 2 and start stop.
First, I thought it's only water and you drain the excess
हाँ.
water.
No, I think ये मशीन पे कुक भी होता है. Oh, it's an induction. इस पे कुक होता है.
What?
This machine is basically an induction.
We're
पानी
supposed
डालो
to
और
put the
करो.
noodles first, drain the excess water, and then add the seasoning.
हाँ, but
and
who
cook
made
it.
this? You made
But
this.
you told me that he said.
But he said
after
want to,
putting
want
everything,
to.
you know, boil it first and then put the seasoning through the excess water and then add it.
Yes.
Now what can we do?
Buy another pack. I think this is going to go in the bin और हमें दूसरा पैक खरीदना
If you
पड़ेगा.
can microwave it, then it's okay.
हाँ.
It's all your fault.
आपको तो पता है ना, फिर क्यों नहीं करा आपने? It's boiling finally.
Like what?
And I'm gonna add this cheese steak. आपके इसमें करूँ, मेरे इसमें करूँ? But this is
Yours is already
cheese.
cheese.
हाँ, let me-
This one smells like burnt garlic with sesame, which is also burnt. Huh?
You added a little too much water in this. थोड़ा गीला हो गया. Cheers. Cheers. My turn to try. ये है क्या हमें पता नहीं है.
Black sesame pork mutton.
कुछ भी. ब्रांड का नाम नहीं पता, कुछ नहीं पता. उसने मुझे बोला ये supposed to eat it like this only. But ये मैं कैसे खाऊंगी?
It will warm a little and you can just eat it, like have a bite of it. It's not going to be super cold then.
Is it hot? Like spicy or hot?
That one? No, it's not hot. This has a little spice, like a kick to it.
This is कच्चा.
This is raw, burnt.
Because we did not make it the right way.
But still the taste is like that, no? This has
not
like
very
a little
flavorful.
cheesy but little kick. Like the pink one which you eat back home. More than that. Very nice.
Carbonara.
I like this one and the one which I'm eating since like 4 days, that one. Always. Golly does this every time. See. I don't know if you're able to see it. See.
What do I do? मुझे लगता है मुझे वो बच्चों का बेवा आता है ना, that I should wear.
This is garlic.
अगर मूवी स्टेइंग अरे यार स्लिप करो ब्राउन तो ठीक है ग्रे मुझे करता है
I'm sorry, I'm not able to focus on you because
Let's
I'm
try
not
the
able to-
cheese stick.
How is it?
Tasting just like cheese. Okay, now let's get back to
This is not mine, they're sharing.
अच्छा गंदा है वो sharing.
आपने चूज किया ना ये?
नहीं आपने चूज किया था.
सारा नूडल गिर गया. It will take time, but now it's not feeling raw. Yeah, I take juicy bite, but it's a little different
But I
taste.
think this one,
I like this one.
this one is so much better. I think.
This is now my first best choice, and the second best is the one I'm eating since like 5 days. Every day I'm eating the same noodle. Something.
This is not strawberry. This is chocolate and
Hi
strawberry.
guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back.
प्लीज निकाल दो. आपने गलत वाला पिक करा है. वेरी वेरी कर रहे थे. चॉकलेट और स्ट्रॉबेरी दोनों निकल गए हैं.
आज
नहीं आप कर रहे थे. मैं वीडियो बना रही थी.
I want to try the cheese. Now see the cheese is become more soft.
Soft meat. It is the most stretchy.
I'm not used to so fresh stuff, so I don't like the cheese. I'm used to the processed stuff.
Seoul actually produces some very nice strawberries. जो हमने Onion Cafe में खाया था ना, the strawberry dessert, that was also yum. Strawberries are
That was
soft
very
in
nice.
it.
That was very
It just melts into the mouth. You wanna try?
No.
Because you will eat the entire sandwich.
No, that's dessert. I'll eat it later.
Too good.
Pink strawberry.
Strawberry थी.
और चॉकलेट भी बस आगे आगे बगी वाइट.
I remember the night we came. तो जीजा for the price of soju और वो बोलते कि there's no need to buy water. सोजू पी के पूरी ट्रिप खत्म कर ले.
I was convincing her to have it. That's what I was telling her. That is
Okay.
cheaper than water. It's not cheaper than water, but like kind of
Almost the same
Yeah.
value.
ये लिटरली ब्रेड और क्रीम है, whipped cream. और बस आगे आगे स्ट्रॉबेरी. Not a sweet person. I'm a sweet person. I don't have a sweet tooth. She's not a sweet person and she has a sweet tooth. She's going to edit all of this. I know. You didn't like it?
No, it's nice.
No.
अब पहले बताओ आपको कैसा लगा फिर मैं बताऊँ. It's not that bad. अच्छा है, सही है, ठीक है.
Smell like Yakult watery version. Do you? It's Yakult watery version with like aerated Yakult. I like it.
Because you like Yakult. I don't like Yakult. पियो. ये दूसरी बॉटल भी आपको I don't want to eat the ramen also. Oh, she got another bowl of ramen.
She said she will also eat.
We're only eating this जब से हम आए हैं. हर dessert में, हर snack में. बस
Because I
ये.
don't like very like need the level of sweetness to be a little less. So this is fine for me. It's a little biscuit with chocolate.
Good girl. And that's a wrap. हम लास्ट में एक स्ट्रॉबेरी मिल्क भी लेके आ गए हैं. Good night.